Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. One card is popped out. So let's see. Two of Pentacles. It is Two of Pentacles. Maybe you are juggling. You are indecisive about something. Let's see what are the messages for you. Cancer. What are the messages for you? Wow. All about love. Love. Three of Pentacles with Nine of Wands. So, I think you are guarded up right now, but you are thinking about your person a lot. And Three of Pentacles, maybe someone is coming back for reconciliation. Cancer, if you are in separation with your person, if you are not separation with your person, then they want to take this relationship to next level. And Three of Pentacles, you want to invest your money in different maybe different ways like stocks, investments, whatever schemes. So there is money balancing also. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Knight of Cups, Ace of Cups and the Hanged Man. So maybe you started loving yourself. You are doing self-love. You investing energy on yourself only because Ace of Cups is here. But someone is returning from your past and Knight of Cups energy. This person is coming back from past. But I am seeing some new love is also coming towards you for some, not all. But you are stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make. Maybe juggling between new and old. And you are stuck and you are thinking about something a lot because the Hanged Man is here. That was past. Then present, Strength, King of Pentacles and Seven of Pentacles. So you are working on yourself, investing energy on yourself. The Strength card, you achieved this balance. And King of Pentacles with Seven of Pentacles. So you want to invest energy on yourself more, especially on your career finances. So you want to take your finances into next level. And Seven of Pentacles means still maybe you are waiting for something or someone because Seven of Pentacles is waiting energy. So still you are stand by your power. Still one part of you still waiting for something or someone to come back. But they're coming. But they're in very slow moving energy. That's why you're not seeing. But some new love is also coming for some. So future, Temperance, Three of Wands and King of Swords. So you are restoring balance within you and you are become very patient and you know how to control yourself now. You are taking your control back totally. And Three of Wands, yes, this could be long distance relationship. You turn your back from your person, but still there is some waiting game. Maybe you are waiting for your person to come back. And King of Swords, there is communication with clarity is coming. And now you are started thinking through your logical mind. Maybe you want to give clarity to your person. You are very straightforward in nature, very emotional person in past. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Knight of Wands, there is a lot of passion. So let's see your person feelings towards you. Lot of cards. Cancer, your person feelings towards you. For some, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. But love is coming towards you. It could be new or old, but love is coming. I think if you are in separation, your person feeling sad, they're feeling alone without you, and they're thinking about you a lot. Again, this could be long distance relationship. And Seven of Wands, they will fight for your attention, they may be waiting for the right time, but they're feeling alone without you, Cancer. And see, Cancer, it's your card under the deck. Yeah, they are coming back, but they're taking it very slowly. So let's see their actions towards you, Cancer. Your person actions. So these actions depends on your situation totally. In some cases, they will take very soon, but in some cases it will take time, because everyone's situation is different from others. So for those, this reading is resonates, so take these messages. Otherwise, don't see, because if it is not resonates, this is not for you. So Nine of Wands, High Priestess and Queen of Swords. So Queen of Swords and King of Swords. Maybe you both are very powerful couple, very straightforwarded. So you both want to fix the things between both of you. And your person also listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition. And Nine of Wands energy, they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe right now they're guarded, but they're making their plan to come back. For some Ten of Swords energy, they are in this pain without you, feeling alone, but still want rebirth. Yeah, there is some communication is coming. Queen of Swords, but the communication will be like in a very harsh words. I am getting harsh, because Queen of Swords is very, very straightforwarded while talking, while making any decision. So that's why. Yeah, they will fight for your attention. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. Hierophant, commitment. Yeah, they're thinking about to offer commitment, but they're rushing towards you to communicate with you. Knight of Swords with Knight of Wands, and there is a lot of passion. Yeah, you are not talking to them right now, Cancer, because you're undergoing some spiritual awakening, the hermit mode, because there are a lot of things going between you and your person. Five of Swords, maybe they backstabbed on you, cheated on you. That's why you want to heal yourself, because the hermit is here. And yeah, you are also trusting your intuition. You are involving within yourself. And for some, this could be spiritual connection between both of you. High Priestess, strong spiritual bond. Yeah, there are some things hidden in this connection. Maybe you both are not opening up with each other. There are someone is hiding something from the other person in this connection. Lot of thinking is going. For some, it could be long distance. Yeah, there are a lot of issues. Still, there are in near future also there are a lot of issues, but you both have to sit and talk with each other. Otherwise, there is no use. Because Five of Swords, passion is there, communication will come, but again there are a lot of disputes between both of you. For some, it could be third party. For some, family issues it could be. So let's see your overall energy. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces or Virgo especially. Your overall energy for the week. The Fool, Nine of Pentacles, again High Priestess and Judgment. You are going to make some major decision. You are listening to your intuition. You are working on yourself, on your growth, self-growth. And the Fool, you are living in the present moment, and you are no more dependent on anyone. You want to be free. So let's see your person overall energy. Cancer for the week. Knight of Pentacles, yeah, they're taking it very slow. They want new beginnings with you. They really want to work on this relationship. But maybe right now they are at some crossroads. They are unable to make any decision. But after that, they will choose you. Definitely, they will make some major decision. Then they will come back to you. But they're taking it very slow, to be frank. So let's see some messages for you from your person and through the channel. So a lot of things are going between you and your person. I'm crazy about you. I want to be honest with you. Age difference. Free yourself. Yes, free yourself. Cancer. I want to be with you forever, and I realized my mistake. So their messages for you: free yourself, I want to be with you, I want to be honest with you, I'm crazy about you, and age difference. For some, there is age difference between you and your person. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Take time to breathe out. So if you are busy in your work, maybe in your responsibilities, whatever, this is the time to breathe out, take meditation, take holiday, take a break. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.